Hi students, welcome to Standard 7 Science online class. I hope all are safe and fine at home by the grace of God. Children, this is your first unit heat and temperature. Okay, lesson is over children already you know. Yeah. So now I'll give you the 1 marks children. Choose the correct answer, okay? See the first question. International unit of measuring temperature is. Yeah, option A, Kelvin. They say unit of temperature is Kelvin. Second one, in thermometer, when bulb comes in contact with a hot object's liquid inside it expands. And third one, the body temperature of a healthy man is option B 37 degree Celsius. And fourth one, mercury is often used in laboratory thermometers because it option C expand uniformly. Mercury always expand uniformly. Fifth question, which of the following temperature conversions is incorrect? Okay, see the option D. So plus 450 and plus 733.15. This is your incorrect. Okay, incorrect conversion. And see the Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. First one, doctor uses clinical thermometer to measure the human body temperature. Second one, at room temperature mercury is in which state children? Room temperature it is always in liquid state, okay, liquid. Third one, heat energy transfer from hotter objects to colder objects, okay, or hot objects to colder objects. Anything you are right, correct. And fourth one, minus 7 degrees Celsius temperature is less than 0 degree temperature. 0 degree Celsius temperature already 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, all the values are very low comparing to the 0 degree Celsius. And see the fifth question, the common laboratory thermometer is a mercury thermometer. Always we are using mercury thermometer. And see the math the following children, clinical thermometer, kink, okay, it will be having some amount of, you see the clinical thermometer children, yes. So this is a bent portion, okay, see the bottom of the bent portion, that is called it as kink. And second one, normal temperature of human body, 37 degree Celsius. And third one, heat, a form of energy. Fourth one, boiling point of water, 100 degree Celsius. And fifth one, melting point of water, 0 degree Celsius. Okay, boiling means 100, melting means 0, freezing point or melting point always same. Okay, fine children, 1 marks I'll give you. And this lesson is over children. So again I'll go for problems children. Yeah, third one, problems. They are giving 8 problems. Already I told you 8 problems. Yeah, now go to the problems children. Okay children, see the first problems children. This is your first problem, third question. Your question is 45 degree Celsius to how much Fahrenheit? Children, first you write the formula. Okay, F minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to C by 5. So F minus 32 is divided by 9 is equal to C already given. Celsius value is given. Okay, so Celsius value is given already. So you write Celsius value. Okay, and here you have to point at the 45 degree. Okay, 45 degree divided by 5. So here F minus 32 divided by 9. I have to strike out the 5, 45. So how much? 9. So you have to giving the cross multiplication children. F minus 32 is equal to 9 into 9. F minus 32, 9 into 9, how much? 81. Okay, 9 9s are 81. So F is equal to, first write the highest number 81. Here minus 32, you have to write this side plus 32. Okay, plus 32. So what is your final answer? F is equal to 113. This is your final answer children. And you have to write the final value, you have to write 113 degree Fahrenheit. Suppose you have to write this is the proper way you have to write the answers children, 113 degree Fahrenheit. This is clear to you children. You don't write F is equal to 113. Okay. Finally, you have to write, this is your correct way of position. You are writing the answers 113 degree Fahrenheit. This is clear to you children. Very easiest problem children. Write the formula and substitute the value. That's all. Okay. And see this question children. This is your second question children. 20 degree Celsius is equal to dash degree Fahrenheit. Okay. There are all the answers are mingled to their children have to find out and write the answers in order children. First you have to write 1 and 2, 3. You have to write the order wise children. Okay, please. And see the 20 degree Celsius to dash degree Fahrenheit. This is your question. So first write the formula. F minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to C by 5. So F minus 32 divided by 9 you have to write the same is equal to C. See how much here given children. See here. See how much given here. See. Yes. 20 degree. So you have to substitute here 20. 20 by 5. So strike out and finally you get 4. So same F minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to 4. So again you put the cross multiplication. Okay. F minus 32 is equal to 9 into 4. F minus 32 is equal to 36. 36. And F minus 36 minus 32 here you are writing this side, right side plus 32. Minus 32 moving this side plus 32. So F is equal to 68. This is your final answer. But you write the correct position 68 degree Fahrenheit. This is clear to you children? Yes. And see the third problem children. See the third problem here. 68 degree Fahrenheit is equal to dash degree Celsius. Here also the same formula, same method, same. Okay. But all the two problems you have to find out the only Fahrenheit. But this problem you have to find out only Celsius scale. This is clear to children. Same formula, have to substitute the values. Finally you getting the answer is 20 degree Celsius. Okay. This is clear to you children. Yes. And see the fourth one children. Fourth one also the same thing. Okay. Fourth one also having the same. 195 degree Fahrenheit to how much degree Celsius. Same formula. Substitute children Fahrenheit value 185. Okay. And 185 minus 32 153. Divided by 9. So strike out the ninth okay table. So here this is 17 times. So C is equal to cross multiplication 17 into 5. Okay, so you're getting 85. So write finally 85 degree Fahrenheit. Clear children? Yeah. So and see the fifth problem children. Yeah. So this is the important problem children because all the questions you learn Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale only. This 4 problems. But this is the fifth problem only you're writing the Kelvin scale. Okay. You know this is your question 0 degree Celsius is equal to dash Kelvin. This is your question. So you write the formula first children. K is equal to C plus 273.15. Okay, not degree children. 273.15. That's all. K is equal to C. How much given? 0 degree Celsius. So you have to substitute the C value 0 plus 273.15. So K is equal to 0 plus anything. That answer 273.14. So finally you write 273.15 Kelvin. This is your answer children. This is clear to you children. Fine. So today I'll give you 5 problems children. Okay, 5. See the 6th problem children. 6th one. Yes. Minus 20 degree Celsius is equal to dash Kelvin. Okay, Kelvin means you write the only Kelvin formula. Write the formula and substitute the value C minus 20 plus 273.15. So you have to 273 minus 20 how much? 253. Which one is the highest number? 273. So it will be indicating the positive. So 253.15. So you write the final answer is 253.15 Kelvin. That's all. This is clear to you children? Yeah. This is the 6th problem. See the 7th problem children. So 100 Kelvin is equal to dash degree Celsius. Again you write the same formula. Kelvin formula. Kelvin is equal to C plus 273.15. So you have to substitute the Kelvin value, children. Kelvin 100 is equal to C plus 273.15. So you need what, children? Celsius scale only you need. So Celsius is equal to what? Minus 273.15. You have to moving the side. Okay. And plus 100. How much? Minus. Here which one is the highest value? Minus 273. So minus 173.15. This is your answers, children, finally. And see the 8th problem, children. This is your 8th problem. 272.15 is equal to dash Celsius. So you write the same formula. Okay. So Kelvin value is given 272.15. You have to substitute the Kelvin value C plus 273.15. This is your question, children. And you need only C. See here. So plus 273 coming this side, minus 273.15. Here plus 272 is there in the same place. So minus 273.15 plus 272. So they are reduced the values, minus, you getting minus 1 is the correct answer. So you write minus 1 degree Celsius. This is your final answer. Okay, all the problems I'll explain, children. I'll give you this photocopy also, children. Okay, so complete in your classwork note itself, children. This is clear to the children. So now itself you have to write only in your classwork note, children. After getting your science book, again you are writing the science book itself also. You are writing the all the problems, children. This is clear to the children. Yes, today's class is over, children. So be prepared well for all the problems, children. Complete your assignment, report in the group without fail. Thank you, children.